I'll talk about the PYQ analysis, because I think there is some gap in this. Many toppers tell you that PYQs are very important and all of that, but we tend to do it in a wrong way. I did that in my first attempt. We actually solve PYQs, we just refer the answer and then we say that, okay, this is done. But that is not the ideal thing. You should go through PYQs first, do not solve them at all. Take one subject, go through the previous year questions and just identify the themes. Which are the themes? The questions are being repetitive in nature year on year. Say for example, if you take ancient history, you see port cities are that important theme. Port cities, travelers notes. So what each traveler was writing about some empire. These kind of questions, and questions related to Buddhism, Jainism, coinage. These are some themes in different subjects that you should identify once you are referring to PYQs. You should note them down, which are the themes in each subject. So after you are done with that themes, then go on solving those questions. While solving the questions, also refer to the 4 options. Why is this particular option given for this question? What is so important about it? Just give it a Google search. You will know there is a connection. So that might be in news, that might be holding some key relevance. You will identify that for each of those options. You will get some notes online on Google. Just refer it and you will know just 2-3 lines about that particular option. In this way, you will analyze that there are different hints given in the question paper itself. So you should know that aptitude for solving the prelims PYQs.